Teddy and Timmy Edutainment, a complete family channel. Hindi moral stories and kids learning videos. Let's learn some interesting facts about different birds. Peacock. The blue peacock is the national bird of India. Their colored feathers spread in a beautiful fan shape. Peacocks make a loud sound and they can also fly. The next bird is owl. Owls have round faces and huge eyes. Owls have super senses. They can detect a tiny mouse from a distance. They are mostly active at night. The next bird we are going to learn about is eagle. Eagles are large and very powerful. Eagles have large beaks. They have an excellent eyesight. Eagles build their nests on tall trees. They are expert flyers and are known for their excellent hunting abilities. The next bird is very interesting. And the name of the bird is Woodpecker. Woodpeckers are small birds with very strong beaks. They use their beaks for pecking holes in tree barks to find insects to eat. They have long tongues. The next bird is the favorite of all, parrot. Parrots have colorful feathers and their beaks are curved. Parrots are very intelligent birds. They make sweet sounds which are pleasing to the ears. They are one of the most popular pet birds. Parrots can live up to 80 years. The next bird is pigeon. Pigeons are also known as doves. They can fly very high. Pigeons love eating seeds. They have a much better hearing than humans. Pigeons have excellent navigational abilities. The next bird to learn is crow. Most of the crows are black in color with a grey neck. Crows are also known as scavengers. They keep the surrounding area clean by eating garbage, leftover food, dead animals, and insects that damage crops. Crows are very intelligent birds, and studies show that crows can actually recognize different people. The next bird we are going to talk about is sparrow. Sparrows are small birds. Sparrows have a beautiful voice and their chirping and singing can be heard all over. They are usually brown and grey in color. Sparrows have short tails and strong beaks that are small. Most sparrows eat seeds or small insects. Sparrows are social birds and they live in flocks.
Let's learn the ABC song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S,
T, U, V,
W, X,
Y, and Z.
Let me show you something. A for apple,
B for ball,
C for cat,
D for dog,
E for elephant,
F for fish,
G for grapes,
H for hat,
I for igloo,
J for jar,
K for kangaroo,
L for lamb,
M for monkey,
N for nest,
O for orange,
P for parrot,
U for quail,
R for rocket,
S for snail,
T for train,
U for umbrella,
V for van,
W for watch,
X for x-ray,
Y for yacht,
Z for zebra. Woo!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S,
T, U, V,
W, X,
Y, and Z.
This is number one.
It shines like the sun.
Together, let's all say,
Numbers we'll learn today. This is number two.
we care a lot for you,
You are very smart.
always in our heart. This is number three.
It's time to have some tea.
And while you take a break,
You can eat some cake. This is number four.
please open the door.
I'll take you in my car.
Oh, not drive very far.
This is number five.
The bees have made a hive.
Their honey is very sweet.
Let's make jam and eat. This is number six.
This bag is full of bricks,
With bricks, let's make a wall.
which is very strong and tall.
This is number seven.
God is up above in heaven.
To him we must pray.
Thank him for each day. This is number eight.
Come fast, don't be late.
You'll win a big sweet lime.
If you reach before time. This is number nine.
It's time to dine.
It's your favorite curry and rice.
It tastes very nice. This is Number 10.
The lion lives in a den.
Numbers 1 to 10 we know. Tomorrow we'll learn more. Let us teach you the vehicle song, the public transport vehicle song.
People travel in these every day.
With these toys, now we will play.
The three-wheeler auto is right here.
Great to ride it without fear.
A good vehicle to move around.
See, it's going round and round. This is a taxi, do you know?
Tell me where you want to go.
This vehicle is worth a ride.
Baby, let me be your guide.
My son, this is a school bus,
Which is very special to us.
kids ride on it to go to school.
The bus looks trendy and so cool.
The train is my son's favorite toy.
While playing with it, he is full of joy.
The train is whistling.
Coo, coo, coo. It's making noise. Choo, choo, choo.
The aeroplane flies really high.
Makes us travel through the sky.
Traveling by it is really fun.
Enjoyed by everyone.
This vehicle is called the ship.
Let's go on a lovely trip.
This ship sails on the deep sea.
That's all, my son. Now come